Now we will read E sound words. And what is the sound of E? E. B, E, D, bed. H, E, N, hen. N, E, T, net. L, E, G, leg. V, E, B, web. Again, ed sound words. B, E, D, bed. R, E, D, red. F, E, D, fed. N sound words. H, N, hen. P, N, pen. T, N, ten. Egg sound words. L, egg, leg. P, egg, peg. K, egg, keg. Et sound words. J, et, jet. N, et, net. P, et, pet. Eb sound words. W, eb, web. So now this is the way of reading E sound words. Make them read, make your students, make your children read like this. Thank you.